Hayden Meyer from open2view. How you going?
I'm always fabulous, Lisa. You know that.
Good. I met you at ARIC not so long ago, and I got the duck, the you give a duck with the little scanning thing on it. So
Yes.
I love the marketing. We give a duck. Now, I just wanted to ask you, real estate agents always ask me who I recommend for services for photography, drones, all that sort of thing. And I always recommend you guys because you just do like the one-stop shop. So I thought we'd just jump on and just do a quick video. So can you tell me exactly, or just give us a bit of a history, just a little bit of a history of open2view, where you are and the services that you provide? That would be amazing.
The elevator pitch,
Yeah, the
Lisa.
elevator pitch.
Okay. So we were established in New Zealand, actually, in Auckland back in 1999. And then we franchised out across Australia and New Zealand. So we now have over 200 franchisees across both countries. We service over 3,000 real estate agents every single day, and they could be large corporates, small independent agents, you name it, every size, possible size. Sales, property management. The content we execute is obviously photography, twilight photography, virtual tours, virtual floor plans, regular floor plans, videography. Obviously, that's huge with social media right now with social reels, etc. Drone photography, aerial photography. But what a lot of people don't realize we also do brochures. We have 3 print facilities across both countries. Signboard, we're a signboard franchisee as well. And that's pretty much all our services, I guess, in a nutshell, your one-stop shop. So no one needs to, because I know, talking from experience, because I was an agent for 8 years, I used to have to ring 3, 4 different suppliers.
Yeah.
open2view, you just book through a central hub or contact.
That's what I like, the one-stop shop. It just makes it easier for the agent, makes it easier for the vendor, makes it easier for everyone. Great. And so where are you located?
We're pretty much, we cover all the core population base in Australia, so 85% of the population. We cover all of regional Tassie, so I'm talking regional areas. Tasmania is 100% covered. Victoria is pretty much 100% covered. But when you get into New South Wales, the larger states, New South Wales, Queensland, it's around the population hubs. So Southeast Queensland, Cairns, all up the east coast of New South Wales, and just Perth in Western Australia. So 85% of the population in Australia, New Zealand, like Victoria and Tassie, 100%, all through their rural areas.
They're looking for some more franchisees as well, probably. But
100%, we could be 5-fold. So any real estate agent, shout out if you want to become a franchisee. Get in touch.
Sure. No, that's great. No, I think it's great. Just a one-stop shop. It just makes it so much easier. All righty. Thank you. Is there anything else that you wanted to say to the agents?
Just keep getting VPA in the tougher market, because if you've got more marketing out there, more signboards, more content, video, you know, it's going to build your brand position.
And get the property sold. Yep.
100%.
Wonderful. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you.
Thanks.